In today's lesson, we'll be reviewing long multiplication, meeting the requirements for TEKS 5.3b. As a reminder, when we multiply, the numbers being multiplied, in this case blue and red, are called factors. And when we multiply factors, the result or solution is known as a product, which you can see here in orange. In long multiplication, the factors will each be at least 2 digits. In this particular example, we'll be multiplying the 3-digit factor of 356 by the 2-digit factor of 23. What will be happening in this problem is we'll be multiplying 356 by 3, and then we'll also be multiplying 356 by 20, and then adding those together to get our final product. Now, if you're confused by 20 instead of 2, here's what I would say. The 3 is in the ones place, and the 2 is in the tens place, and 2 tens would be 20. Let's go ahead and go through this example, and I think you'll see what I mean. So when I multiply 3 times 6, I get 18. So I put the 8 here and carry 1. 3 times the 5 is 15, plus the 1 I carried is 16. I bring the 6 down and carry the 1. 3 times the 3 is 9, plus the 1 I carried is 10. And since there are no more digits to the left of the blue 3, we're done multiplying, and so 3 times 3 plus the 1 gives me 10. I bring down the entire 10. The next thing I need to do is put a placeholder. Now, the reason why I'm putting a placeholder here in the ones place is because the 2 that I'm multiplying is in the tens place. My first result needs to go in the tens place. So 2 times 6 is 12. I bring down the 2, carry the 1. 2 times the 5 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. I bring down the 1, carry the 1. 2 times the 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. Now at this point, we're done multiplying. We're simply going to add to get to our final product. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Our product is 8,188. That is the solution to the multiplication problem of 356 times 23. In this example, I have 2 factors that are each 3 digits. 243 times 124. Now, what we're going to be doing is multiplying 243 times 4, 243 times 20, and 243 times 100. Keeping in mind that the 4 is in the ones place, the 2 is in the tens, and the 1 is in the hundreds. And here's how we do this. 4 times 3 is 12. We bring down the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 1 is 17. Bring down the 7, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 makes 9. We are now done multiplying by the 4. Since the 2 is in the tens place, we're going to put a placeholder in the ones. 2 times 3 is 6. There's nothing to carry. 2 times 4 is 8. Again, nothing to carry. And 2 times 2 is 4. We're now done multiplying by the 2. Now we'll finish by multiplying by the 1. Now keep in mind the 1 is in the hundreds place. So we need to put a placeholder in the ones and the tens and begin multiplying now. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. We're done multiplying, so now we're going to add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 plus 0 is 13. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus the 3 is 20, plus the 1 we carried is 21. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus the 2 is 10. 2 plus the 1 we carried is 3. The solution, or product, of our multiplication problem is 30,132. 30,132 is the product when we multiply the factor 243 times the factor of 124. Now let's go ahead and wrap up this lesson. We just reviewed long multiplication. Long multiplication is the product of two factors when each factor is at least 2 digits. We showed several examples of multiplying two factors where each factor was at least 2 digits and generated a product.